sprayed them with sugar water and pulling this feed can out right now. If I can get it out of there. Damn. There we go.
Got it.
Alright. And then we'll get the queen cage. I gotta be more careful this time because last time I pulled the end out without the candy. Alright, buddy. Alright. And then this is the candy end. Pull that cork out. Like that. Are you ready? And then we'll just pop it one time to get them off the top, and then shake them right on top. Oh, what doesn't come out, we'll put in the front. Let them come out tonight.
How do you like not crush the bees when you do that?
You're going to kill a few.
That's crazy.
I wouldn't be scared to walk up there probably with my shirt off.
Please don't.
Scare the bees.
No, I don't. We don't want to scare the people watching this video.
Right. So, I'm just trying to get if they're interested, they can do it.
So what's in that can?
What's that?
What's in that can?
Sugar water. Sorry. That's what they've ate on the whole time they've been traveling.
And you keep that in there why? You keep that in there why?
Just gonna let them finish it up.
Okay. Is it necessary to take it out, or?
In order to get them out, it is.
Okay.
You might want to back up just a little bit to get a little bit hot. All right.